Hey guys, another exchange has listed the Pi token, and it is the Pionex exchange. So this is their official announcement from their Twitter account, and the pair is Pi USDT trading. So to confirm this, in the Pi network QIB list, so if we click the view verified businesses, as you can see, Pionex is now included. So that means we can deposit our Pi token to the platform. So in this video, I am going to show you how we can move our token to the Pionex platform. I am now in the Pionex platform. So if you still don't have an account, you need to create first to deposit your Pi token. So here under this user profile, under the wallet, click the deposit, and then here need to search the name of the token. So let's search Pi, and this is the address. So now I'm going to visit the Pi app. Then here going to open the Pi browser. So we'll click the Pi browser. Then here I'm going to sign in, and then click the wallet, and then unlock my wallet. Next is click the pay or request, and then manually add wallet address. Now I'm going to send 2 Pi tokens, and then the wallet address, I just copy that address from the Pionex, and then going to click the send, and then review, then confirm. So it is successful. So if we go back, we should be able to see the transaction in the history. So here is the recent transaction. So I have finished transferring 2 Pi tokens to this address. So now I'm going to refresh. So as you can see, I have now 2 Pi tokens in my Pionex account. Basically, that's it. Thank you.